Welcome to Code to Cortex. Today we will be doing the lab solution of this lab from Arcade Level 1 January, monitoring and logging for Cloud Run functions. So first we will start this lab and then we will open it in an incognito window. Now go to the task 1. We have to go to Cloud Run and then click node.js under write a function. So we will just search Cloud Run. Now under write a function we have to click node.js. Next, we have to put these values, enter service name, and if this comes in the time for region, then just directory and Euro West one is selected. For runtime, it's node.js 22. Pay attention to it. In authentication, select allow public access. Now in container volume networking security, we have to select second generation. And then we have to set the maximum number of instances to 5 and click create. After this is completed, click save and redeploy and wait for it to complete. After this is completed, we will go back to this lab and check our progress. Now we have to activate Cloud Shell. and copy this command and paste it. And copy this command to unpack and run. Now copy and paste this. Let's click and hello world is here. अब हम इसे कॉपी करेंगे, पेस्ट करेंगे. Now on to the task 2. You have to create a log spaced metric. You have to keep that command running in background. You have to go to log explorer, minimize it, and we are in the log explorer. Search cloud, run revision, then click hello world, and then just apply it. After this, click run query, and the actions drop down, click create metric. The metric type is to be set to distribution. Metric name should be this. We'll carefully copy it and paste it here. Now we will enter this for the field name. Now click create metric. Check our progress and it's done. Congratulations, the lab is complete. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Also join WhatsApp channel to stay updated. Thank you. Now just end the lab.